friends, I'm back. I have a new video for you. We're going to practice our Phonics one more time, but this time it's not going to be the little letters. It's going to be the uppercase letters, our grown-up letters. Do you remember? Allie was grown up. She's not little anymore. There she is. We're going to use this side because we don't use Allie says ah. We say A says ah. Are you guys ready to follow along with me? Miss Vivian's even here to help me, guys. Ready? Set. Go. A says ah. B says B. C says K. D says D. E says E. F says G says G. H says I says I. J says J. K says K. L says ooh. M says mmm. N says mmm. O says ah. P says p. Q says qu. R says r. S says s. T says t. U says V says v. W says w. X says x. Y says ya. And Z says z. Wake up! The end. Good job, friends. I know you followed along.